At Vermont Flannel, we make all of our product here in the U.S. We make shirts, lounge pants, blankets, anything that keeps you cozy and comfortable.
I think we really do have a superior quality, right? It's extremely comfortable, it's durable. It's really one of those companies that I think you can be proud of telling someone that you work for Vermont Flannel.
To be able to make people feel cozy and comfortable and give them a little bit of relief is extremely satisfying. We move really quickly. We are a small business, we are nimble. I need all of the time that I can get, and doing admin tasks becomes something you constantly put off. I have used a lot of expense systems in my past, and Bill is the best system that I have ever used.
So we have 10 retail stores, each store between 5 and 10 employees. On a day-to-day basis, I'm in constant communication with the store managers. Bill has helped our store teams really own their monthly budget, being able to make decisions on what to buy, when to buy it. They no longer have to come to me, getting approval to make a purchase. In the past, our store teams kept petty cash, which had to be counted every single evening. And so this really just takes the guesswork, it takes the legwork out of that process and just makes it really, really easy.
Bill Spend and Expense has really changed the way that I think our employees are able to use cards and spend and make sure that the business is able to get what it needs to continue forward. I think employees also appreciate the fact that there's an app that they're able to use where they can make a purchase and they can just immediately, using the app, upload a receipt. That way accounting doesn't have to bother them for receipts, which I think everyone appreciates.
Before Bill Spend and Expense, we had a really tedious process. We had to get petty cash sent to us, like we would get a check and we would have to cash it, so it was literally like cash in hand. When we implemented Bill into our workflow, it just made the whole process so much easier. For instance, I'm gonna need to buy some sewing machine needles, so I can just go on the website and order those myself, click a couple buttons, upload a receipt, done.
Bill gives me peace of mind because I know that it's doing exactly what I need it to and what I've asked it to, while I'm focusing on other areas of accounting and finance.
Bill really is easy. I like when things just work and are easy to use and efficient for multiple departments, so it really is a no-brainer.